Hey everybody, welcome back. So this is the update follow-up that I guess been being asked about on the drone seeded field. It's late, we're talking like June 10th, 11th here. Really wanted to have this field terminated, but with all the rain, couldn't carry. Now we can. So out here I'm not. We got some hairy vetch growing. We got some of the wheat we planted growing, and there's some clover here and there as I'm walking around. In this part, it's kind of a lower spot, so it's, didn't take off as well. So I'm kind of on the fence about what to do with it, because I'd like to no-till it. But then we get to spots like that, which I'll walk over there. The vetch is waist high, and the hairy vetch is kind of viney. I think we're going to have some issue planting through it. I don't think we're going to plant green in here. You see, as I get kind of to the higher patches, it starts to get thicker. Kind of weird, we didn't have any rain. Now when we did get the rain, I think some of it drowned out, but a lot of vetch grew. Figure we ended up about 6 pounds to the acre. 7 maybe. But as I walk here, now I get here where it's a lot thicker. I have a hard time walking through it because it's pretty tangly and viney. So I think we're going to have some issue, like I said, planting green into it. And this isn't even as the thickest spot. Got one out there towards the road. It's, waist high on me, and couldn't really walk through it. A lot of bumblebees out here though. So we got the pretty much full flower, so we got our full nitrogen credit on it. I'd say it's going to start going to seed here. I'm thinking what we're going to do is probably spray it off and then give it, week and a half, 2 weeks to plant it. So we're looking, middle of June, possibly. Well, it's already middle of June. The end of June. I mean, I'm going to put some 83-day corn in here, so I think it would make it, especially for doing high moisture corn in the silo. But then the other thing is, we got a lot of them right here, mustard growing, and I want to get that taken care of before it goes to seed. Otherwise, my other idea is, hit it with the disc and disc it down, disc it once at a diagonal, and disc it the way I'm going to plant it. And, well, not take the no-till credit, oh well. Got to get the corn in the ground. But, that's kind of my goal with this piece of ground, was to transition it to 100% no-till. But we might have to do a little tillage. Not the end of the world. So, some vetch. I said it's, all viney. It's climbing up some of the wheat here that's growing. There's some of our clover. So that was the whole idea, was we were coming back on this, be corn on corn, so I wanted to get some nitrogen credit out of it. So I think that's about it for this. It's kind of weedy, needs to get burned down or disc down. So yeah, like I said, we've been wet. The weather finally broke here. We've had 4 good days. The weather so far, 5 good days. Otherwise it's been a day or 2 of rain, day dry, maybe a day and a half, 2, then rain again. So that's just how it goes. And trying to get hay made. So I got a couple of shorts made. I'm gonna get released. They're timely, maybe a week off of each other. But that's just how it goes. Kind of busy doing that, and then with the kids with their spring sports. So that's just how it goes. But alright, I think I'm gonna end it here. So that's the field. It's kind of ugly, you know. Like I said, we could have did better, but we needed rain. We didn't get the rain right after we seeded this to get it to germinate. So alright, well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye.